Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to understand our Ultimate Shopper assignment. So the purpose of this assignment is for you to design a bedroom. So you are to buy specific items and stay within a budget. You can shop from a couple stores, you'll have a couple coupons to use, and kind of your goal is who has the best looking room, with quality items for the cheapest amount, and they use the coupons most wisely. So when you go on your Google Classroom, I want you to go under Classwork and find the Ultimate Shopper assignment. I have two options here. One is a model on the right-hand side. The left-hand side is a blank format of our project organizer. So once you open that, I need you to go under File and hit Make a Copy. And you're going to name this project with your first and last name. So I know whose is who when you hand it in. Go ahead and hit OK. And now we have an editable Google Doc for you to use. So before we get kind of focusing on that, I want to show you an example of someone who did this before. So if we look over here, this student used our strikeout function on Google Docs to kind of cross out as she went, that she bought a specific item and what coupon she used, just to show that she used all coupons and bought all items. So if you look on here, first she puts a picture of what the item she bought was, and she eliminated the other stores to show that she got it from Target. She writes down the price online. Then next to that, she puts down the coupon she uses. And with that in mind, the coupon discount gives you then a total cost for that item with the coupon. So you can see she has all 5 items: the bedspread, the rug, the lamp, the mirror, and the chair. Altogether, it came to $153.84, but we can't forget about sales tax in New York State. You're going to take your total and find 8.75% of it for your sales tax, and that becomes $11.89 from her total, and she gets a final total of $165.73. She did very well on this project. As you can see, she bought quality items and stayed well below your budget. Let's take a look at ours. So we have to buy these 5 items, use all of our coupons, and shop from specific stores. So first, let's look at the queen bedspread. So I'm going to open up Target.com to look for our queen bedspread. Under the search, we're going to find queen bed comforter. And I'm going to go look at some options that interest me. Lots of different options. I'm going to go with this black one. What you're going to do is go over to the side here and right-click on the image and copy that image over. And let's go to our Google Doc and let's paste it into this table. Feel free to delete this insert pic here. And now I'm going to show that I bought this at Target, so you can change up the color. I'm going to delete the other options just to show we got it specifically from Target. Now I'm going to go back to the website to figure out a price. It is on sale for $173.25. And this is a fairly expensive comforter, so I want to use a coupon that's going to give me a large discount. So I'm going to choose this 45% off coupon. And to figure that out, we're going to go to our calculator and shrink this down a little bit for us. So we have $173.25, and then when we take a discount, we're going to multiply it by the percent as a decimal, so 0.45, and we get $77.96, but that's our discount amount, so we need to take the total price of the item minus the discount. So we're going to take 173.25. Let me go back. Is there a way to go back? 0.25 minus, I forgot what it was, but say it was 77.65. We hit equal, and that means our price came to $95.60. So I'm going to put that down in total cost. You're going to follow this procedure for the rest of the items. Once you have all 5, find a subtotal, so add up the total of the items. Then you're going to calculate the tax from that to give us a final total. Your final total should be less than our $500 budget, and you must have quality items from those 3 specific stores. Any questions, feel free to email me or ask about them in class. I'm happy to help you with some of those coupons as they might be a little challenging. Good luck!